let's learn how you can add music to your Facebook post. So let's start by opening our Facebook application. When you're here, you'll have to go to your post setup. So just click on what's up on your mind. And as you can see here, you can select, for example, if you want to post a video or just text. For the music, you need to expand this sidebar menu. And as you can see here, in the end, it will appear music with this music icon. You just want to press on it and there will appear for your music. You can click up on saved music also. To post music, just click on three dots and click on save. And if you want to send your music to post, just click on that song name. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.